Hey, hi there. My name is John. Smiles a little. What's your name?
Hi, John. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. So, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's great. I'm happy to hear that.
Smiling. Thank you. I'm still learning, but I try every day.
Yeah, me too. When I started learning English, I felt very nervous.
Oh, really? Me too. Sometimes my mind goes blank.
Exactly. I think, what if I say something wrong?
Yes. Or what if people laugh?
But you know what? Most people don't laugh. They actually help.
That's true. I remember my first English conversation.
Oh, yeah? What happened?
I wanted to say, I am excited, but I said, I am exited.
Oh, no.
Everyone laughed, but in a nice way, and they corrected me.
See? That's how we learn. So, John, how do you practice English? I talk to myself sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, in front of the mirror.
That's actually a great idea.
I also watch simple English videos, like this one.
Smiles at camera. Yes, videos help a lot.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why do you want to speak English?
Pauses, speak slowly, because English helps me talk to people from different countries. It makes me confident.
That's beautiful. For me, English means opportunities,
Yes, and it starts with simple sentences.
like this one. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
See? Very easy.
To viewers, you can say it too.
Don't be afraid.
Speak slowly
Make mistakes.
and keep practicing.
Smiling warmly. Emma, I'm really glad we talked today.
Me too, John. This conversation made me happy.
So remember, friends,
English is not about being perfect
it's about starting,
and speaking.
both together. See you next time.